Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the tool review series. If you remember back about a year or so ago, I did a review on this Flexi Gel clamp sold by Peachtree Woodworking Supply. Now if you remember, I gave this a very high rating. I love this clamp. But I found out recently Woodcraft came out with a clamp that's similar to this, and we're going to review that in this video. If you got any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, scrollsawvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. Here is the clamp that's sold by Peachtree Woodworking Supply. It's called Flexi Gel, and I love this clamp right here. One of the reasons is, on one side, it will lay completely flat on your work surface. Another reason is it has these two knobs on the side where you can extend the jaw capacity. So you can see what kind of advantage this will have. And this is very, very well made. It's not made out of cheap, thin plastic. Never had a problem with these. So we're going to put this one aside. These are the ones that Woodcraft came out with. See, I have 3 different sizes here. Now, I just purchased these last weekend. They had a 25% off sale on these. So, what I paid, I can't find my receipt right now, but this is somewhere around $7. This is somewhere around $5.50, and this is somewhere around $4. Keep in range. I lost my receipt. Of course, I had it like 10 minutes ago. But anyway, got these at 25% off. Woodcraft. So let's look at these compared to my Flexi Gel clamp. Okay, I have 3 different sizes. We're going to start with the bigger size. I'm going to pop this open here. Now, first thing you'll notice, the Woodcraft does not have the adjustable arms right here. The pads, I like the pads on here. Let's see if I can scroll it down a little bit and show you the pads. Yeah, those are pretty good pads. I like those. I like the green rubberized padded handle. It does have a little handle here where you just squeeze it and pop it open. Very similar to the Flexi Gel. It does have a ratcheting. You can hear that. Okay, this one, the overall throat capacity is going to be 4 inches for the larger one. The medium size is going to be 2.5 inches. And the smaller size is going to be just over 1.5 inches, like 1 5/8 of an inch. So, I encourage you to watch the review I did on this clamp. I'm going to put this one aside and not bring it up anymore. We're going to start with the large capacity clamp here. I have a piece of walnut and a piece of pine. I'm just going to put these together. Clamp it down. That's as tight as I can get it. Let's do the shake test, see what happens there. Nothing moving. So that's pretty good. Now let's shake it with this. See how I can get a hold of this. Here we go. Oh, that clearly moved, no problem. Clearly moved. So, since most of the time you're just going to be using these for glue ups, I would say that that's Pretty decent for just glue it up, but doesn't have the best holding capacity. I mean, holding strength. Right here will hold, but when you actually do the great test, this really shakes. Okay, let's try the medium size one. Let's see what happens here. Whoops. Open that back up. Here we go. Okay, this way holds pretty good. That shake test. That should hold your glue ups pretty good. Let's try this side. Yeah, just like the larger one. Clearly moves. But that's what I expected. Now these won't fit in the small one, both of these put together. I don't believe they will. No. I'm just going to hold one in here. Do a shake test. That's not moving a bit. I'm going to hold this. Holds better than the larger ones. Huh, that's surprising me, but I like it. Okay. Don't need these anymore. So, would I recommend these to a buyer? I think they're a pretty decent clamp. They have their limitations. They're very well made though. Woodriver is the brand name, sold by Woodcraft. So, it has these specs on these cards here, but whoever reads those things. This one shows a 4-inch jaw depth. This one shows a, well, it's hard to say, price tags on top of it. 2 1/4. And this one shows 1 1/2. So, yeah, I think they're a good addition to your shop. If you got the time, check them out. If you have a Woodcraft store near you, check them out. I would suggest don't buy these until they're on sale like I did, but I think you'll be happy with them. I do appreciate you watching.